The ultimate goal is to help other people. And I think that's what sets us apart as a company and makes us unique.
We've taken a lot of time and pride in developing a very clean, very safe work environment. It's someplace you can be proud to come to work.
If you have a strong work ethic and you are willing to learn, you can be successful here.
Stark Truss offers, unlimited amounts of, growth and opportunity. You could come in one day and be building and next week be in charge of the floor line.
They could build trusses faster, they could cut trusses faster, we can design trusses faster, all thanks to the growth in the technology.
To see the company's investment in new locations and new opportunities for employees, and to see that growth and expansion happening is exciting. It's something that's cool to be a part of. Stark Truss is a manufacturer of prefabricated building materials. We do roof trusses, floor trusses, wall panels, stairs. We manage the whole process from the lumber coming in off from the truck or the train car, being sawed into the right length, and then the trusses being built, banded, stacked, and delivered to the job site. We process over 70 million board foot per year. Right now we're located primarily east of the Mississippi, and we're just looking for to add to that family of a network of manufacturing locations. I'm definitely looking to grow the company. I would say in the next 10 years, my goal would be to double the size of the company. I would like to see us get to that next level, not just for growing's sake. It's growing to give people opportunity.
One of the most unique things about my job, or most satisfying things about my job, is how much it impacts other people's lives. Most people start at Stark in an entry-level position, and whether they move up to a table leader or a shift leader, maybe the scheduler, or maybe they become a salesman, or maybe they become a plant manager and have 30 or 40, sometimes 50 employees of their own, everyone has the opportunity to create a goal and reach it. And they will give you the tools and the support that it takes to reach your goals. All you have to have is the goals and the ambition. They'll take care of the rest.
I've been at Stark Truss for 4 years now. I started back in 2014 after getting out of the Army. I was building on the floor line. 2 years later, I'm production manager. As production manager, I like to pride myself on having a good work atmosphere. Having my guys coming in smiling in the morning, like being at work. It's more of a family rather than a work environment. And it's not just at, the Franklin plant. It's all the way up to corporate.
Being a design tech really drew me in. I've always been kind of a computer nerd. I've always loved design. I think the most rewarding part of everything is seeing your real work come to life. You're driving down the road, get a picture, and you're like, I designed that, and it's very rewarding. I love it.
We design buildings in 3D, and then we design the trusses to fit that 3D image. Over the last 16 months, I've had 16 people run through the program. There's some that came in from the shop. They knew how to build them, but then they learned how to tech them. They learned the 3D model, and that's pretty much how you have to design these days, because it's fast.
The new generation of workers has grown up in the technology era, and the equipment that we have with the computers and the touch screens really fits their personalities and their needs in a job. It's not just labor, it is driven by technology, and it's going to continue to grow and go further down that direction. It's made the job much easier.
Well, we're a lot different than a lot of manufacturers in that we're not just a line manufacturers. They're getting opportunities to work in teams, cooperating to build a product, and they're proud of that product.
Even when my guys aren't at work, you'll see them walking through town with their Stark Truss t-shirts on and their Stark Truss jackets on. You know, they don't have to do that. They do that because they're proud to be part of the Stark Truss family. They're proud of who they are and what they do.
Stark Truss has been a blessing to me and my family, and I know several other guys out there in the shop, you know, has really been a blessing to them too.
If we're talking about the atmosphere at Stark Truss, I think everyone would agree that it is a family atmosphere. That's one of the things that attracted me to the position that I'm in now. I'm fortunate in that I work with my husband. He is the plant manager here. And when I think about the Yoder family, everything that they do extends down into their employees' lives.
We have a lot of long-term employees here, and I honestly believe that the biggest factor in them remaining long-term employees is the work culture, the work environment, their co-workers, how they truly feel about each other.
We're recognized as an industry leader. We've been around for a long time, but our operations are still small enough and intimate enough that people can feel valued and they can have relationships for years and years within our company.